Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I get to share with you how I scored all of these items completely free and made $11 buying it all. Amazing week at Walmart, which is timely because this is a challenge week. I have partnered up with Shop with Sarah to see who can score the best deals at Walmart for the week. I've mentioned her to you guys before. She is wonderful. If you've never checked out her channel, you definitely want to do so. I will drop a link to her channel down in the video description box. She is so fun, and I truly cannot wait to meet her in person one day. But we are battling it out to see who can score the best deals. Whoever doesn't win will have to do something kind of fun. So I asked for suggestions a while back, and at least one person, I think two people, suggested that the loser of the competition have to do their next Walmart haul without using a shopping cart. So we decided to do that, as well as make a donation to a nonprofit. So stay tuned to see who does not win this week because they will be doing that in one of their upcoming videos. So let's start out with some of the simplest deals first. I grabbed this Colgate Kids Cavity Protection at 94 cents. That's what I paid at the register. And then I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app. I scan the product. It shows that it qualifies, so I got $1 back, making it completely free and a 6-cent moneymaker. I also grabbed these Better Allergy pills. There was a high value Ibotta offer. These are priced at $6.27. There was an Ibotta offer for $6 back, making this pack just 27 cents. Now, if you're brand new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code because you're going to score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. And of course, it's free to join and start using Ibotta. But this, all of these offers that I did through Ibotta got me closer to that midweek moneymaker bonus. So I did end up hitting that $3 bonus, so I got that back as well. Another high value offer in the Ibotta app is on this KY jelly. There were a couple of different KY offers that were good deals. This is the only one that I could find at my store. This one's priced at $4.54. There is a $3 printable coupon that I will link for you. You would pay just $1.54 and then get back $3 on Ibotta, making it completely free and a $1.46 moneymaker. And that would just be a fun thing to donate somewhere, I feel like. People might wonder about that. Other simple deals, let's talk about the minute rice. So I grabbed this last week, got it again this week. This is priced at $2.18. Just the plain white rice was a tad bit cheaper. I got 50 cents back on Ibotta, and then because it was my second time for purchasing it, I got an additional 25 cents back on Ibotta, making it just $1.43 for this box of rice. Also grabbed the Veggie Craft pasta. These are priced at $2.98. Ibotta had an offer for $2 back, and my Fetch Rewards app also had a rebate for $1.50 back, making this completely free and a 52-cent moneymaker. I feel like I haven't talked about Fetch in a while, so if you're not using Fetch, it's a great app. You can score items completely free, and they have tons of different offers. If you grab it using my referral code, you're going to get an additional $2 back. Okay, so this is a Fetch reward deal as well. I feel like my Fetch offer was better last week, but I couldn't find these at my store. So I had a couple different offers in Fetch. Some offers for getting money back when I buy just one, and then an additional bonus offer for buying all three. So I bought the Mountain Dew Zero, I bought the Mountain Dew Spark, and I bought the Mountain Dew Major Melon. I got all of these up by the cash registers in those little refrigerators. They're $1.98 each, okay? So that's $5.94. But then I got back $1.50 for buying one of them, $1.50 for buying another, and then $2 for buying all three. So that's $5 back, making it 94 cents for all three of them. Now, double check your Ibotta app because I know some people got a 25-cent rebate on one of these, and I want to say someone else had mentioned they had like a free after rebate on one of them, so that made it an even better deal. I just didn't have those rebates, but double check your app and see if you do. I again grabbed these Splenda sweeteners. These are the Splenda Stevia. They're priced at $3.48 each. If you still have that $4 off too from the January 2nd save insert, you'll pay $2.96 and then get back $2 each on Ibotta, making this deal completely free and $1.04 moneymaker. Now, if you've noticed, I've kind of grabbed items randomly as I'm talking because one of the new apps that I am using is called Brand Club. I talked about it last week. I did a complete tutorial on it this week. So take a minute if you haven't watched that tutorial and watch it because I walk you through how to use this app, why it's amazing, why I'm loving it. But I am also doing a giveaway. So 4 lucky winners will win a $100 gift card courtesy of Brand Club. So check out that video. I'll link it down in the comments below. But the rest of the deals I'm going to talk about involve Brand Club somehow. One of the things I did not talk about in the tutorial because I hadn't tried it yet was answering the question, how do I pay with my gift cards and still get money back from Brand Club? So I played with that yesterday and let me show you how to do that. If you make a purchase at Walmart and you want to pay with a gift card, totally fine. You can still get money back from Brand Club. This is how. After you pay and you have your receipt, go into your Walmart app, click on Account, click on Purchases, and then at the top right-hand corner, you're gonna see something that says Scanner. Click the scanner, scan your receipt barcode. It automatically pulled that receipt into my Walmart account, which then I went into my Brand Club app and I clicked the plus sign to sync my Brand Club to my Walmart, and it immediately pulled my purchase and gave me credit for the items that I had bought. Okay, so let's talk about these. I bought these last week and I mentioned I got 27 cents back from Brand Club, but those were locked rewards until I purchased the item again. Well, sure enough, I bought this pack of Love Diapers again at $5.47. There's still that $2 rebate on Ibotta, so I got that back. But then I also got back the 27 cents that I earned last week, making these just $3.25. And I got back the locked rewards of another 27 cents. So the next time I buy these, I'm gonna get that money back again. So pretty cool. I did something similar with the all detergent. So with Brand Club, you can take surveys, and surveys give you locked rewards, and then you unlock that cash by purchasing a product. So I did a survey for all because I knew there was an Ibotta rebate for all. And so I grabbed this at $3.47. I got back the $1.50 on Ibotta. It actually attached to another rebate for 50 cents on Ibotta. And then it unlocked the survey cash that I had earned from Brand Club for a total of $2.50, making this guy completely free and $1.03 moneymaker. Why I love that is that dollar helps pay for the rest of my groceries. Now, I did the same thing with this pack of ramen. So I took one of the surveys for Maruchan, and that survey gave me $2.75 in locked rewards. The way I unlock that to be able to cash it out is actually buy a product. So I bought this ramen at 36 cents. When I submitted my receipt, I got $2.75 back from Brand Club, making this completely free and a $2.39 moneymaker. Now, if you're starting to get worked up because you have an Android and you're like, but Brand Club is only for iPhone users, that's not fair. It is coming. I have talked with them and they are still in the testing phase. They should be rolling it out here within the next couple of weeks. So it is coming. Just be patient. As soon as I know, I will let you guys know as well. If you're brand new to Brand Club and you want to grab it, I'm going to drop my referral link. Use that because it's going to give you an additional $10 when you sign up. And of course, it's completely free to join Brand Club. All right, did the same thing with the Uncle Ben's rice. This is priced at $1.98. I had done an Uncle Ben survey that gave me $3, making this completely free and $1.02 moneymaker. I also purchased some Del Monte stewed tomatoes. These are amazing. I use these in a soup that I love. They're priced at 88 cents. I had done a Del Monte survey giving me $3 back, making this completely free and a $2.12 moneymaker. Same thing with the Yoplait yogurt. I bought this at 64 cents. I had done a Brand Club survey for $2.75, making this completely free and a $2.11 moneymaker. This one was a double dip. It had I bought a rebate as well as I had done a survey on Brand Club, and that's what I'm looking for on Brand Club is what surveys can I do that are products that we buy that might also have a rebate on another app as well. This ocean spray is $2.96. There was $1 and $1 I bought a rebate, as well as I had done a survey for $2.75 back on Brand Club, so that made this completely free and a 79-cent moneymaker. The Heinz mustard I grabbed, and I grabbed this one because I had done a survey on Brand Club, as well as it was a shop kick offer. So this is priced at $1.97. The Brand Club survey gave me $2.50 back, which was unlocked when I purchased this. And then the shop kick app gave me 250 kicks, which is equivalent to $1, making this completely free and $1.53 moneymaker. And the last thing I did, I grabbed this, the bigger box of Kraft mac and cheese. Now, for Brand Club, I could have bought any of the Kraft products. I grabbed this one because there was an Ibotta offer on it. So this was $3. There was an Ibotta offer for 75 cents. I had done a Brand Club survey that gave me $2 back, making this box just 25 cents. And like I mentioned, all of these offers got me to that $3 midweek moneymaker bonus on Ibotta. So that meant everything you see here was free. I made $11 buying it all, which comes out to negative 57 cents per item. So Sarah, did you beat that? Because I really don't want to have to go shopping and like grab all of this stuff without using a shopping cart. So I'm excited to see who won that. If y'all have any questions on any of this, please don't hesitate to ask, but definitely check out the Brand Club tutorial because I know some people had questions about it. So I took the time to create this full tutorial that I hoped answered every single question that you had. If not, drop your questions down in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. But you definitely want to check it out because you can get yourself entered for one of 4 $100 gift cards. Thanks.